how to make assignment front page in Microsoft Word step by step, or how to create school project cover page in MS Word. Assignment first page design in Microsoft Word, easy tutorial, or how to make a professional assignment in MS Word for school. So in this assignment, I'm gonna tell you these things which is very important for you if you are a student. So I will show you how to make a proper and professional assignment front page in Microsoft Word step by step. So if you are a student, this video is for you. This video is very important if you are going to give any presentations because it will affect your marks and give you more. So step one is we need to set the margins. Before, go to the desktop and open the Word document. After that, in the new file, you have to open a blank page. After that, you need to go to layout, and from layout you need to choose margin, make it normal. Always use proper margin so your assignment look neat and balanced. Now add page border. How you can add page border? Go to the design, page border, and choose box one. There are many options, but for the students it should be the box one because it will be look nicer. So do not use fancy border, keep it simple and professional. Now we need to add. First we will add here assignment, then subject name, topic name. Okay, below some down, name, class, school name, teacher name, submission date. Okay, so then how you can align and make the text perfect? Just select that. Okay, select all text, go to home, line and paragraphing. This button will set over space between the lines. You can see if it has 2, 3 is like this, 2.5, 2. It's good if I will make it 1.5. This is the best and proper spacing because it makes your assignment easier to read. Okay. Next, we can choose from here the sentence case. If you want all lower, I want to make it like if you want all uppercase like this, but the most reliable is capitalize each word. Now you can see that each word first letter is capitalized. We will choose from here Times New Roman because this is the most authentic one. You can write here Times. Okay. Then you can increase the size of the fonts also. Make it at center. This is for the text alignment. If you want make it center, right. So it's better to make it the center one. You can also make it bold if you want. Okay. Or if you want to add the logo of your school, you can add here. For example, from insert image, you can use from this device because I don't have it, so I will use online. I'm here taking any school logo. You can take yours, but for example, let's take, I'm taking here a bunny picture. For example, this is your school logo. So just take it, decrease the size. Okay. Or there is any some other options. For example, go to insert and put here shapes, smart arts. Oh, sorry, you can go to the shapes and make it a round one. This one. Okay. Then you can fill the shape fill with picture. Then from the files you can from your computer download your logo and then you can take it, because I don't have it now, so for you I'm taking it school. Okay. Now you can see the images only comes on the round. This is how you can take it here or there if you want, but better it should be on the center, because all your writing is on the center. Okay. So you can make it like this one should be, if you want, make it little bigger. If you want, you can make the topic underlined. Okay, but I don't recommend the underline process. So you can see now how it is looking. So now your assignment front page looks clean, professional, and well organized. Always remember, presentation can increase your marks. Subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials and let me know which type of videos you want me to make for you the next. Don't forget to subscribe Academy of Aisha. Bye.